This is Rancho, San Antonio, a county park, an open space reserve in the hills above the Silicon Valley. Its extensive 23 miles of trails are available for exploration by the community. Community members can walk, bike, or ride on horseback through the wilderness. The reserve is also home to the Deer Hall Farm. A reminder of the area's rich heritage of rural life. The farm is home to cows, pigs, fowl, and goats. Many more wild animals live happily in the reserve. Rancho San Antonio stands in stark contrast from its urban surroundings. There's a bridge into another world. These trails are a refuge into nature. It's hard to imagine anything but it could. Rancho San Antonio is less than 5 miles from the Lehigh Permanente cement plant and quarry. Limestone from the hills is removed from the quarry and turned into cement in the plant's industrial kilns. This process releases dangerous amounts of mercury, lead, and other pollutants into the air. Additionally, Lehigh's antiquated smokestacks release more toxic emissions than the newer smokestacks do. Lehigh has repeatedly failed to comply with EPA standards for toxic emissions. Air pollution from Lehigh makes its way over the surrounding communities, and toxic runoff from the plant ends up in the San Francisco Bay and local reservoirs. Local residents and environmental regulators have expressed concerns about the plant's impact on the environment.
I know you care about the air quality.
Yes.
I understand that you are not allow any employees smoke inside the building, right?
Correct.
So
Both my parents died of lung cancer from smoking, so I'm a little sensitive on that topic.
Sure. So I just want to let you know, be aware. I don't know you're aware or not. There's a Lehigh Southwest cement plant nearby has air pollution to this area. Are you concerned about that?
I grew up about 5 blocks away from that, 6 blocks away.
Oh, okay.
So I'm pretty familiar with the Kaiser plant.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it'd be great if the Kaiser plant wasn't there.